Hello everyone. Today I'll be explaining the trends of the market, the uptrend, downtrend, ranging market, and I'll be explaining um, precursors, change of characters, and all that. So now let me explain a precursor. So what do I mean by precursor? A precursor is when market break a high high, or a high low. So when market breaks a structure, it's either high high or a high low. Is just a break of structure. When market breaks a high high or a high low, we call it BOS, which is a break of structure. Okay. Now, what do I mean by break change of character? This is BOS now. What do I mean by change of character? The change of character is a shift in the market. It's either you call it market structure shift or change of character, anyone you want. So when market, let's say we have when market break a structure to the upside and another structure to the upside, another structure to the upside. Now market keeps breaking the high highs. So this is an uptrend market. This is an uptrend market. When market keeps breaking the high highs and the high highs, and the low being the one being protected. So what when we say the market shifted is that when this low is being taken out, and this is the low here that broke a structure to the upside. So when market broke this low, it's called a change of character, a market structure shift, and one you want to call it. Shows the market wants to change the trend of the market, which is here now throughout this diagram showing that market is uptrend. So when market shifted, showing the market wants to change structure, to change trend to downtrend. Okay. So what do I mean by downtrend? Breaking of the low lows. Breaking of the low lows. Why the uptrend is breaking of the high highs, breaking of the high highs, and all that. So when do we say that market shifted a structure, or we experience a change of character in the market, or market structure shifting anyone we want, is when, let's say, we have an uptrend market, or market keeps breaking the high highs, and unfortunately the market strip down and break the low. So the market wants to change trend to downtrend and start going down again. Then when you experience another shift to the upside, showing the market wants to change trend again. Now this is a shift in the market, which is the change of character. Then you experience another trend in the market and all that. So it's just simple and there for you. Can you show an example of what I mean? Okay. Here now, this is a downtrend market. Market keeps breaking the low lows. Market keeps breaking the low lows. The low lows is being taken out, and this is another low waiting for it to be taken out. Good. So what we call this is a downtrend market. So now you have this structure. This low is being the one being protected, and the lie and the up, I mean the high is being taken out, which is the low being the one being protected, and this is the high. So when market keeps breaking the structures of the high highs, showing the market this is uptrend, and here you can see the market keeps going up, breaking the high highs. Okay, keeps breaking up, breaking the high highs, the high highs, the high highs. Okay, I've showed you the uptrend, and I've showed you what I mean by the downtrend. So when we see the market is uh, consolidating, let me first explain what happened here now. In this diagram now, this chart now, this is an option. This is market keeps giving like a uptrend market, and which is breaking the high highs here now. You can see another high being taken out. And you can see this high being taken out, but there's a shift here. There's a shift here. Market broke the zone. So the market wants to change the trend of the market to downtrend. Keeps going down again. So after this shift, market went back to the other block. Now sell. Okay. So the change of character is just simple to understand. This is a high high being taken out and the high low being protected, and the high high broken out the high low, and we have another high high here, and we have this high low. So the high low gets broken, showing the market shifted. It is the change of character. Market changed structure. Market was going up, the market changed character. So the market wants to go up again. You can see that after that, market went straight back up and to get the other block. Now sell. So it's just simple. So what do I mean by consolidating market? When market keeps ranging up and down without breaking a structure, is the ranging market. Now you have to stay away from this ranging market, because ranging market doesn't give you a clear direction of the market. So it's risky to trade a consolidating market. Now, for a very clear consolidating market, now sometimes you see something like this. This is the main high, and you have this main low. Now we have this high, and we have this low. So you are waiting for market to take out this high or this low. But market keeps ranging inside this zone. Now you have to be very careful. Remember I said this is the low the market wants to take out, or this is the high that wants to take out. So in some cases you see something like this. Market takes out this zone, reconstruction, and reconstruction. Inside this zone doesn't mean that the consolidating market has stopped. No. Market can actually, you might want to start buying from here. Market can actually go down, liquidate you, go up again, still being consolidating. Can actually be breaking structure inside this zone. But this is the main high and this is the main low that you are waiting for market to take out. So it's very risky. You have to be very careful. Let me show you an example of what I'm trying to say from here now. Now, you have this zone here. We have this high and we have this main low. This is the two structure. Here now this is the high and we have this low. So we are waiting for market to take out this one high or this low. But what market did here is the market keeps breaking structures inside these zones. Inside these zones, keeps breaking structure. You can see another structure being taken out, and you can see another structure in the blue also being taken out. You can see another structure again being taken out. So market can actually be taking out zones inside here, but that doesn't mean that the consolidating form has stopped. So you have to wait for the high to take out or for the low to take out. If you want to take this kind of trade, you need to be very careful and clear in your analysis. Because here now you can see that after taking out this high, market starts going up again, showing that the consolidating market has stopped. Okay, I think this is clear now. And this is just something simple everyone should know.